We grow a lot of biotech crops on the farm, and we feed our kids those same crops that we are raising. And we feed our kids the same pork that we are raising for the export market, for the domestic market.
Well, GMO has been unbelievably beneficial for us since its advent, and it basically took off right after I began farming. We're using less pesticides, and it's lowering our costs. But how does that convey to how that benefits the consumer? Well, for us, the biotech helps us produce a more quality product. There's less damage to the ear, less risk for disease in the ear, because we don't have to spray those pesticides on top that the consumer may be concerned about. It's a much cleaner way to produce corn, and a much better way and long-term safer for the consumer because it's a better, more quality product that we're producing. It's a good, safe product that's going to leave my farm and be sold and ultimately end up in some way on the consumer's plate. You know, it's important to me that we're doing it the right way here.
We're very concerned about the environment as a farmer because I have a son, this next generation. I want to leave it in better shape than when I found it, and my dad had the same philosophy. And I think all farmers feel the same way.
With my kids living right across the road from our fields, I wouldn't want to spray anything out that could drift into our family farm. And so with the use of biotech crops, we're able to make it a much safer environment for us as producers in the field, but also for our families that live right next to those fields.
We're keeping the groundwater safer. It's not ending up down the river. So it's a very important advancement that biotechnology has brought to us. Water quality is important to everybody, not only the consumer that lives in the city, but also out here in the farm, because my family drinks that water too from the well that we drilled. So we understand the importance. It hits very close to home.
We're very concerned about the environment, and our kids drink out of the water hydrant, the well that comes right there on our property. And so I sure wouldn't want to do anything to jeopardize the health of my children or of anybody else's. It's important to us to do things right.